Okay, we're on a job that we need to replace a outside hose bib, outside faucet. We can't shut the water off because the city has got this thing so tight that you can't turn it, and I don't want to risk breaking it. So we're going to do it live. I'm going to get wet, but I'm going to show you, you know, what the advantages of are with ProPress, because what I'm fixing to do, you can't really do it with soldering. I know some of the old school guys are all about the soldering and only soldering. They don't believe in the ProPress, but I'm fixing to show you the advantages of it. Just because we've been trying to call the city for like an hour and nobody's answering the phone, because they want you to call them to turn the water off, but they're not answering the phone. We've called every number that we could find, and none of the numbers are working. So we're doing it live. So what I'm going to do is I got my tools ready here, and I'm going to put them inside of a plastic bag to keep my tools from getting ruined. This is actually my first time doing it this way, but it's the best way I could think of to keep my tools from getting ruined. Got that one, and then we got this. This one, I don't know how this is going to work. Just have to see. I don't want to get that all wadded up in there. But we got. All right. Watch the show. I'm going to get wet. What do you think? All live, and mainly just my face got wet, my shoulder, but that'll dry off pretty quick. And now I've got a new hose bib, and it's working. And it's got a quarter turn valve on there. This older lady, she has trouble with bending down and turning that knob. So this is better for her, so she can use her hose better. All right. Well, if you have any plumbing issues, give me a call. We kind of specialize in weird stuff, so just give us a call. Thanks.